Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to unpin a channel from the top in the WhatsApp app on your PC after the new update. This is a simple process, but if you've recently updated WhatsApp, you might notice that the options look slightly different. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and wait for your chats or channels to load. Once everything is visible, look through your list and find the channel that you previously pinned to the top. Pinned channels always stay at the very top of your chat list, which makes them easy to spot right away. Now that you've located the channel you no longer want pinned, the next step is very straightforward. Move your cursor over that channel in the list and then right-click on it. This will open a small menu with a few different options for managing that specific chat or channel. From the menu that pops up, choose the option that says Unpin. As soon as you click it, the channel will instantly move down to its regular place in the list based on the time of the last message. It will no longer stay fixed at the top, which means your chat list will go back to its natural order. That's really all there is to it. Unpinning a channel is quick, easy, and only takes a few seconds. This feature is especially useful if you've had a channel pinned for a while, but no longer need it at the very top of your chats. By unpinning it, you can keep your WhatsApp on PC looking organized and make sure the most important conversations stay where you want them. So remember, open WhatsApp on your computer, find the pinned channel, right-click, and select Unpin. That's the entire process. Simple, fast, and effective. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to keep exploring new WhatsApp features to get the best out of the app. Thanks for watching.